Okay, we're back to the propane water heater. 75 gallon. Yeah. Alright, last time, it's a 20. Last time I believe I rebuilt the pilot seat. First thing you do is make sure they got propane. They always swear they have it, but they don't have it. That's the first thing you do with water. Propane is a pain in the ass. I fucking glue this thing on here. Verify there's propane. There appears to be propane. Propane verified. So we went out and they couldn't relight it. And they said they didn't see spark. And of course, I'm not going to see spark because the sun is landing on the water heater. Seems to be clear. This doesn't want to thread in there. Whoa, whoa, yeah. What a nightmare. It's like the easiest thing to thread, too. Come on, motherfucker. There we go. I'd like them because they make me a lot of money, but I'm just sick of them. I can't even get this thing to stay on. This wants to slide off. I heard the valve click over. Okay, looks like I got it. It's probably just a blocked pilot dude. Hey, I'm good, man. How are you? Cool. Oh, I like these older heaters. They go forever.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they go forever. So I always grab them when I see them. All right, cool.
All right, thank you.
I'll do some work. Yeah, no worries. So we got a leaking drain valve, so I'm going to replace this drain valve. And he said this was leaking too, so he capped it off, but I don't like that because that's dangerous. Well, you got a really old water heater in a brand new shed. Plenty of room out here to work, which is nice. So I'm going to at least release enough water to get it down to here so I can change the temperature pressure relief valve. Oh yeah, this thing's all effed up. And then go ahead and change this bad boy too. What's that?
Oh, that's it. Did it go that bad?
I'm just trying to get it. Everything, the two things I need to work with are kind of shot out, you know? So there's not much I can do.
Yeah.
It's draining slowly, and then this thing doesn't want to open up all the way.
Oh, does it?
It doesn't want to close, and it won't open up all the way.
Nah.
So that's just the way it goes. Once I get it down to here,
Oh, you're able to take that one out.
I can change that one.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, and then once I get that one out, that'll help that.
Yeah.
So it's just an awkward stage, but nothing you can do.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's great. It was great. I got more coming in July. Yeah, he says he's got. Yeah, because they want to pass that law, so they make everybody put electric in. You know, they outlaw them.
Yeah.
So everyone, all these big apartment complexes are trying to switch over before the law changes, so they can go as long as possible to keep that expense off. And then we take those heaters and we just sell them to everybody.
Of course.
If I could sit on them, I would, because that's a gold mine. If you could store all those someplace, and then they change the law over, because you know they'll be checking at the border. They don't want you bringing in any gas water heaters. But if they're already in the state, then you could sell them. You could probably sell them for $600 each for a used water heater, and people would buy it. You know, just to not have to change to electric and do all that, because it'll be a boom for electricians, that's for sure.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah.
And I'll have to start working on electric water heaters, which is kind of shy away from. But, you know, they're just making everything so complicated.
No, they are.
There's no good way to do this. No wonder you wanted me to do it. I can't get in here. Oh yeah, I think. Oh, did I break it? Did I get it? Wow, that's amazing. got it straight.
Oh yeah.
No. He didn't want to.
Oh, did it break?
Yeah, bro.
No.
Yeah, bro. It's all right. Make sure I get all my tools wet here.
Did it push the hot water?
No, it can only let out as much water as it can take air in.
Oh.
So like good poop.
Oh, okay. I
And
thought
then I
that
just
when you
chipped it
open
off.
it, it'll just throw it all out. Huh?
It should have. If I had this open, it
Oh,
would
okay,
have.
it would have, huh?
Yeah, it's like a vacuum. Like you put your
Yeah.
thumb over a straw with,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, you
You
let go and
release
it
it.
goes, releases it.
Yeah, it needs air.
Yeah,
You
it
know,
makes
water
sense.
needs air, or not a vacuum in order to.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got the old one cleared out of there. A lot of sediment, but it's an old heater.
Yeah, no, it is. I don't know how long it's been there. No, to be honest.
Oh, I could tell you, it's been there. Oh yeah, this thing's probably from the 90s.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's in the serial number.
Just-
It's usually the first two numbers of the serial number,
Okay.
which I don't have my glasses on right now.
This one, 92?
Maybe. It might
Yeah.
be 92.
It says 92.
Oh, there's the serial number. So
Oh,
whatever
serial
these
number.
two are.
This is an MO1 21 24 37.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't
So,
know.
huh?
Yeah, it's hard to say. You have to look it up.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
maybe-
because I mean, this guy was all by himself. He was just a
Mhm.
guy by himself.
Yeah, this is the old school ones. They stopped making them like this in the early 2000s.
Of course, because they don't want things to last that long.
Exactly.
You know, it's like the new phones. It's like, you know, you buy you know, these young guys who buy freaking phones are $1,000 and something dollars.
Yeah.
And here comes out the new one, and it's a year old, and it's like,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's just crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but people spend the money.
Not me.
But you know, I remember, man.
I did all that when I was young. I
Yeah.
wasted my money when I was young.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got nothing to show for it.
Right.
I'm like, I know that if I can save my money now, I'll need it in the future more than I want anything now, you know? But it's hard to tell.
No, it is.
It's hard, you know, you're at that age.
But then there's the other part also. You don't know if you're gonna live to, you know, for a couple of years or whatever.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to die with a bunch of money in the bank, but,
Yeah. Right.
I mean, what are you gonna do? I mean, there's no, it's a gamble, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I think we got it. It's hard to tell with all this water dripping. But that's it.
That's it?
So you got the new drain valve, right? You should be good there.
Okay.
And then you got the new temperature pressure relief valve up here. So I re-pressurized the tank and it filled up and shot through. You could hear it kind of slurring around down there, but you should be good. I'll get a towel and kind of wipe some of this
I
up.
can do that. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, right on.
No